Next, vehicle transaction modules. Periodic entry, own vehicle. The periodic entry, own vehicle page is designed to track and manage maintenance records for company-owned vehicles. It ensures vehicles are serviced on time and remain in good condition. Key functionalities. Track maintenance schedules based on kilometers or hours used. Record service details, oil changes, part replacements, etc. View and update past maintenance records. Receive alerts for upcoming maintenance. How to use periodic entry, own vehicle. Adding a new maintenance record. Click on Details, select the vehicle, enter date, service type, parts used, oil type, and kilometers/hours used, then save. Viewing past service records. Search by vehicle name, date, or service type to find specific records. Editing a maintenance record. Click Edit, update the details, and save changes. Deleting a record. Select an old or incorrect entry and click Delete. Tip: keep service records updated to avoid unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Vehicle Daily Progress Entry. The Vehicle Daily Progress Entry feature allows businesses to track vehicle performance, fuel consumption, and distance traveled for both owned and hired vehicles. Key functionalities. Log daily vehicle usage, kilometers traveled, fuel consumed, hours worked, etc. Monitor fuel efficiency and vehicle performance. Generate reports for specific vehicles or branches. Track loads carried and operational efficiency. To use Vehicle Daily Progress Entry. Adding a new entry. Click Add New. Select the vehicle, date, distance traveled, fuel used, hours worked, and load carried, then save. Viewing daily progress reports. Use filters to search by vehicle, date range, or branch. Editing an entry. Select an entry, update the details, and save changes. Deleting an entry. Click Delete to remove incorrect or outdated data. Tip: regularly updating progress entries ensures accurate reports and better fleet management. Tire Maintenance Details. Tire Maintenance Details feature helps users track the condition, usage, and maintenance history of vehicle tires. It ensures timely replacements and servicing, reducing the risk of tire-related failures. Key functionalities. Register new tires with details like serial number, model, and fitting date. Track tire usage based on distance traveled or hours worked. Monitor maintenance history and record wear and tear remarks. Add or remove tires when fitted or removed from service. How to use tire maintenance details. Adding a new tire record. Click Add Tire, enter tire serial number, model, make, fitting date, and save. Tracking tire usage. Monitor distance traveled or hours worked for each tire. Updating maintenance records. Click Edit, update wear and tear remarks, and save changes. Deleting a tire record. Select the tire entry and click Delete to remove outdated records. Tip: regularly tracking tire usage helps reduce unexpected failures and improves fleet safety. Battery card maintenance. The battery card maintenance feature enables businesses to manage vehicle batteries efficiently, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Key functionalities. Register and track vehicle batteries with details like battery code, type, and fitting date. View and update battery maintenance records. Monitor battery lifespan and expected replacement dates. Add new battery cards, edit details, and remove outdated records. How to use battery card maintenance. Register a new battery in the Master module. Navigate to Master module, Battery card. Click Add New, enter battery code, type lead acid, lithium ion, and fitting date, then save. Managing battery records in the transaction module. Navigate to Transaction Module, Battery Card Maintenance. Select a battery, update maintenance status or replacement details, and save changes. Tracking battery reports. Generate reports on battery lifespan and maintenance history. Editing or deleting battery records. Click Edit to update records or Delete to remove outdated entries. Keeping battery records updated ensures smooth operations, timely replacements. Higher bill generation. This feature enables users to generate, review, and approve higher bills for vehicles with a structured and transparent process. Overview of higher bill generation. The higher bill generation feature allows you to search for vehicles and filter records. View detailed billing information for each vehicle. Add additional charges like maintenance and driver allowance. Apply TDS deductions and review payable amounts. Submit bills for branch and head office approval. Step-by-step process for higher bill generation. View the results table, which displays serial number, vehicle code and number, vehicle name and type, billing basis, hourly, daily, monthly. Click on a vehicle code to navigate to the Higher Vehicle Bill View page. Step 2. Enter higher bill details. On the Higher Vehicle Bill View page, enter the following: bill number, unique identifier, name of the party, client being billed, PAN card no, for tax purposes, mailing address for bill communication, vehicle details, name, type, equipment code, billing basis. Step 3. Add vehicle and billing particulars. Add vehicle section. Select the checkbox and click Submit to move to Higher Bill Approval branch. Particulars section. Hour. Rate/hour, billing rate per hour. Total amount, calculated based on hours and rate. Bill date, date when the bill is generated. Step 4. Add additional charges and deductions. Add others, data. Add driver allowances and spare charges. Redirects to vehicle position page for further adjustments. TDS deductions. TDS percentage. TDS deduction amount, auto-calculated. Additional charges. Maintenance reason and charges. Other deductions, if applicable. The total amount and balance payable fields update automatically. Step 5. Submit the higher bill. Verify all details before submitting. Click the Submit button to proceed to Higher Bill Approval branch. Once approved at the branch level, it moves to Higher Bill Approval head office for final validation. Final stage, Higher Bills Approval. The final stage where the higher bill is fully approved and the payment process is completed. This marks the end of the bill generation process, ensuring that all necessary approvals and verifications are in place. Higher Bill Approval branch. This feature allows branch managers or authorized personnel to review, approve, or disapprove higher bills before sending them to the head office. Key functionalities. View all higher bills for a selected branch. Check vehicle, company, bill date, and cost details. Approve or disapprove bills based on accuracy. Access detailed bill breakdown including rates, deductions, and maintenance costs. Track approval history for each bill. How to use Higher Bill Approval branch. Filter higher bills by branch. Select a branch from the drop-down to view higher bills for that location. Review higher bill details. View information like vehicle name, branch, company, bill date, and cost breakdown. Approve or disapprove a bill. If the details are correct, click Approve. If there are discrepancies, click Disapprove and enter a reason. Track approval status. The system records whether each bill is approved or rejected, ensuring clear tracking. Tip: always verify charges, deductions, and maintenance costs before approval to avoid errors. Higher Bill Approval, Head Office (HO). After branch-level approval, The head office, HO, reviews the bills for final validation. Key functionalities: oversee and validate hire bills from all branches. Filter bills by branch for easy review. View detailed bill information, including serial number, bill number, vehicle number, and total payable amount. Approve or disapprove bills based on compliance standards. Track approvals and disapprovals for record keeping. How to use Hire Bill Approval, HO. Select a branch. Choose a branch to filter the hire bills for that location. Review bill details. Click on a bill to see vehicle, company, deductions, and total amount payable. Approve or disapprove a bill. If the bill meets all standards, click Approve to finalize. If there are issues, click Disapprove and request corrections. Track approval history. The system logs all approval decisions for transparency. Tip: ensure all necessary documents and details are verified before giving final approval. Hire bills approval. This process ensures that all hire bills are carefully reviewed, approved, or disapproved before being forwarded for final accounting and payment processing. Step-by-step process for approving hire bills. Search for a hire bill. Use the search section to filter records by bill number, vehicle number, etc. The results table displays the following details: bill number, vehicle number,
date,
branch name, vehicle name and type,
company name,
approval button, disapproval button. Click on a bill number or vehicle number to open the Hire Bills View page for detailed review. Review the Hire Bills View page. This page provides a detailed breakdown of the hire bill. Bill information:
date,
bill number, name of the party, branch name, vehicle name, vehicle type, equipment code, bill date, billing breakdown, BATA, others BATA, total amount, deductions, material deductions, TDS deduction, amount after TDS, maintenance charges, other deductions, final calculation, balance payable, prepared by. Step 4. Approve or disapprove the bill. If everything is correct, click Approve to move the bill forward for final processing. If there are errors or missing details, click Disapprove and provide a reason for rejection. Approved bills are forwarded to accounting for final payment processing.